Welcome, Buccaneer. One way you can have open communication between you, your support system at home, and Barry is by granting FERPA authorization. In this tutorial, we will learn how to grant third-party FERPA, also known as the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, authorization. Unlike proxy access, where a third party gains direct access to your records via the student portal, FERPA authorization allows a designated third party to communicate directly with Barry University representatives regarding your educational record. This authorization can be granted to any individual chosen by you, the student. Let me show you how to do it. First, you will want to log into your student portal. On the home screen, you will want to click on your username located in the upper right corner next to the Sign Out button. In the drop-down menu, you will want to click the fourth link labeled Student Records Release. Once redirected, you'll click on the blue Add Person/Relationship button. You'll want to complete all required text fields marked with a star. Note that the 4-digit PIN provided during the setup process will be used by the FERPA authorized user and must be provided when contacting a university before any student account information can be disclosed. While it is not required to provide a start and end date, you may do so if you want to limit the duration of the FERPA authorization. For the Access section, you have two choices. Click Allow Complete Access to grant full access to the FERPA authorized user, or click Allow Select Access and check the boxes for the specific areas you want the user to access. You will want to double check that all provided information is correct and all required fields are completed. You're going to make sure you read the disclosure agreement thoroughly before checking the authorization box. You'll then want to click the blue Submit button. Once finalized, a green window will pop up in the top right corner confirming that the information has been successfully updated in your student profile. Remember, you can also list denied users and have access to go in and edit or remove approved users as needed. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We will see you in the next video.